course, have a right to support him. It does anger and really irritate people who have been supportive of the Brown family and recognize that a young man has died. And it's a little distasteful in their eyes for somebody to profit from that.
Give me a quick thought, John Gaskin.
Well, Don is right. It's his right. Now, I certainly would not be boasting about that or promoting that via social media. That's my opinion, but it is his right. A very unfortunate situation took place in August.
He's going to have legal expenses because there's going to be a civil lawsuit, wrongful death lawsuit that's going to be filed.
Well, also,
Bless
Wilson
you.
has said that his own childhood dream of being a police officer, he probably never will be able to do that again.
Bless
So
you.
I don't know how he'll be able to earn a living.